Well, hello everyone. In this video, we'll see about date pickers. This is used when we want user to select a particular date inside our application, right? So without wasting time in theories, let's just dig into the practicals of it. So let's first take a text view here, and I've given a text select date, and I've given ID as DT, alright, and text size is 20 dp. So now let's take a variable of text view inside Java TV. Let's map it with XML. TV equals to find view by ID r.id.dt. Right now, what I want that whenever a user click on this select date, calendar pops up from where you can select a date that you want, right? So let's first declare tv.set on click listener new on click listener, just the way we were handling clicks with the buttons. You can do the same thing with text view, image view, whatever the widget is, right? So inside this we are going to take a date picker dialog. We'll create a variable of that object of that equals to new date picker dialog, where inside main activity.this, and as a second argument we'll call a method new date picker dialog, and we will set tv.set text. We now have our date that we have chosen from our calendar in the form of year, month, and day of month, right? So we'll just pass that inside our tv.setText method. So we want our day of month first, then we will concatenate it with the help of plus signs, and then we'll include some slash plus. Now when it comes to month, we have to increment it with 1 because array starts at 0, right? Plus another slash and plus year, right? But still it is showing us all these red lines. Why? Because we still have to pass the current date at the end of this method as an argument, right? So first of all, we need some integer day, month, and year, right? Month and year. So now we have to get the current date, so we call an object of, we take an object of calendar equals to calendar dot get instance. Now day equals to calendar dot get calendar dot day of month. This is how we get the current day of the system, right? Then the month will be the same way, calendar dot get calendar dot month, and year will be calendar dot get calendar dot year. Now we just have to pass that to our date picker dialog arguments: day, month, and year. That's it. We are done here. So let's run our application and see if it is working or not. Yeah, before we see, we haven't showed our date picker dialog on this click view, right? So we just need to show that, so we call date picker dialog dot show method. So let's run again our application and see if it is working or not. Okay, so let's click on this text view, and as we can see, a calendar is popped up. So let's select a year first, 2020. Then we'll select December, not December, August, no, let's say July 18 is my birthday, so July 18, 2020 is the date, right? So let's click OK, and we can see a date is set on the text view, 18 July 2020. So this is how you use date picker dialogues in Android development, right? So that is it for this lecture, I think, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture.